101. To which Buddhist school did Nagarjuna belong? A. Sautrantika. B. Vaibhashika. C. Madhyamika. D. Yogachara Uttarakhand. Ans. C. 102. Buddhist center of learning is A. Vikramshila. B. Varanasi. C. Girnar. D. Ujjain. Ans. A. 103. Which one of the following rulers did not contribute towards the expansion of Buddhism? A. Harshavardhan. B. Kanishka. C. Ashoka. D. Pushyamitra Shunga. Ans. D. 104. Which among the following state, Odantipur, education center was situated? A. Bengal. B. Bihar. C. Gujarat. D. Tamil Nadu. A. None of the above, more than one of the above. Ans. B. 105. Vallabh University was situated in A. Bihar. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Bengal. D. Gujarat. Ans. D. 106. Nalanda University was founded during the dynasty of A. Maurya. B. Kushan. C. Gupta. D. Pala. Ans. C. 107. Who was the founder of Nalanda University? A. Chandragupta Vikramaditya. B. Kumargupta. C. Dharmpal. D. Pushyagupta. Ans. B. 108. Why was Nalanda University famous in the world? A. Medical science. B. Philosophy. C. Buddhist religious philosophy. D. Chemical science. Ans. C. 109. With reference to the religious history of India, consider the following statements. 1. Sautrantika and Sammitya were the sects of Jainism. 2. Sarvastivadin held that the constituents of phenomena were not wholly momentary, but existed forever in a latent form. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Ans. B. 110. Out of two statements below, first is assertion A, and second is reason R. Carefully read both statements. Assertion A. Till the end of 12th century Nalanda Mahavihara lost its glory. Reason R. Underscore. State protection ceased to be available to Mahavihara with respect to the above mentioned two statements. Which of the following is true? A and R both are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. B. A and R both are true, and R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true, but R is false. D. A is false, but R is true. अंश A 111 Nav Nalanda Mahavihar is famous for A. Soong Sang Memorial, B. Birthplace of Mahavir, C. Pali Research Center, D. Museum. अंश C 112 Which of the following were common to both Buddhism and Jainism? 8. Avoidance of extremities of penance and enjoyment. 2. Indifference to the authority of the Vedas. 3. Denial of efficiency of rituals. 4. Non-injury to animal life. Select the answer using the code given below. Code A 1, 2, 3 and 4. B 2, 3 and 4. C 1, 3 and 4. D 1 and 2. अंश B 113 With reference to the history of ancient India, which of the following were common to both Buddhism and Jainism? 8. Avoidance of extremities of penance and enjoyment. 2. Indifference to the authority of the Vedas. 3. Denial of the efficiency of rituals. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. Only 1. B. 2 and 3. C. 1 and 3. D. 1, 2 and 3. अंश B 114 Which one of the following is not common between Buddhism and Jainism? A. Ahimsa, B. Indifference to Vedas, C. Self-mortification, D. Rejection of rituals. अंश C 115 Lord Buddha preached the following 4 noble truths. Put them in correct order using the codes given below. A. There is suffering. B. There is a cessation of suffering. C. There is a path leading to the cessation of suffering. D. There is the cause of suffering. Code A. ADBC, B. ADCB, C. ACBD, D. ABDC. अंश A 116 Both Jainism and Buddhism believe that A. Philosophy of karma and transmigration of soul were correct. B. Salvation could be possible only after death. C. Both men and women could attain salvation. D. Middle course of life was the best one. अंश A 117 According to philosophy of Buddhism, assertion A. Rejected the concept of rebirth. Reason R. Soul is mortal. Choose the correct option. A and R both are true, and R is the proper explanation of A. B. A and R both are true, and R is not the proper explanation of A. C. A is true, but R is untrue. D. A is untrue, but R is true. अंश D 118 Which of the following statement S are correct about Buddhism? 8. It did not reject caste and class. 2. It challenged highest social ranked Brahmins. 3. It pointed certain castes as low. Choose the correct answer from the code given below. Code A. 1 and 2, B. 2 and 3, C. 1, 2 and 3, D. None of the above. Ans. C. 119. Anatmavada, no self, is the doctrine of A. Sankhya. B. Vedanta. C. Buddhism. D. Jainism. A. None of these. Ans. C. 120. The reason included in the expansion of Buddhism. 1. The simplicity of religion. 2. Special appeal towards Dalits. 3. Missionary concept of religion. 4. Regional language. 5. The soundness of Vedic spirit by philosophers. Code. A. 1, 2 and 3. B. 2, 3 and 4. C. 1, 2, 3 and 4. D. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Ans. C. 121. Who has propounded the doctrine of momentariness? A. Buddha. B. Jaina. C. Charvaka. D. Nyaya. A. None of these. Ans. A. 122. Why did Buddhism start declining in India in the early medieval times? 1. Buddha was by that time considered as one of the incarnations of Vishnu and thus became a part of Vaishnavism. 2. The invading tribes from Central Asia till the time of last Gupta king adopted Hinduism and persecuted Buddhists. 3. The kings of Gupta dynasty were strongly opposed to Buddhism. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 1 and 3. C. 2 and 3. D. 1, 2 and 3. Ans. A. 123. Consider the following statements. What is the difference between chatyas and viharas? A. Viharas is a place of worship while Chatya is dwelling place of the Buddhist monks. B. Chatya is a place of worship while Vihar is a dwelling place. C. There is no particular difference between both of them. D. Viharas and Chatyas both are used as dwelling place. Ans. B. 124. Some Buddhist rock-cut caves are called chatyas, while the others are called viharas. What is the difference between the two? A. Vihara is a place of worship, while chatya is the dwelling place of the monks. B. Chatya is a place of worship, while vihara is the dwelling place of the monks. C. Chatya is the stupa at the far end of the cave, while vihara is the hall axial to it. D. There is no material difference between the two. Ans. B. 125. Consider the following statements. 1. The early Chatya grihas and viharas of Guntupalli in West Godavari district are rock-cut too. The chatyas and viharas of eastern Deccan are usually rock-cut. Of these statements, A. Only one is correct. B. Only two is correct. C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. D. Neither 1 nor 2 is correct. Ans. A.